everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing a real quick eyeshadow tutorial using this palette right here. It is the KAB Cosmetics palette that I received in last month's boxycharm. I really love the way this eyeshadow came out. It looks so pretty. I have not received my Boxy Luxe this month yet, but as soon as I do, I will be doing an unboxing on my channel. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. That way you'll be notified as soon as I do get that video up. Hopefully it'll be within the next week or so, because that's when I usually get it. But yes, the eyeshadows in this palette are just so pretty. I love the look that it created. Just really pretty. It's a really nice everyday look, super easy to create, and I'll show you step by step how I did this. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So as you can see, I already have all my makeup on except my eyeshadow and mascara, so we're going to get right into this. I'm going to be using the KAB Cosmetic palette that I received in last month's boxycharm. We're gonna go, I'm gonna start out with just like a fluffy brush, and this is the Morphe. It does not say it's a Morphe brush, just a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in this shade right here, which is Sand, and I'm gonna work that into my crease. I'm just gonna use this palette for my mirror. So you look down, and you just start out of the outer corner with a very light hand and work your way in. Then you just do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm going to take that same sand shade and I'm going to work it on the, like underneath my eyelashes. Then I'm going to take this darker shade up here. It is called Cocoa. And I'm going to put a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner, just like right here, and kind of bring it in, kind of work it up like a V. Then I'm going to take the, just like a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that same shade Cocoa and just bring it halfway in on my bottom lash line. And I'm just getting a little bit of water, and a cap. And I'm taking my flat brush and I'm just going to dip it in it. Just kind of wipe off any excess water. And I'm going to take the shade Golden Hour right here. I'm going to work that on the inner part of my eyelid. I really do like this shade a lot. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to take the shade Starlight, which is right down here. And I'm just going to put that in the inner corner right here and on this side. Just kind of brighten up those inner corners. Then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take the same water, dip it in the water, wipe off the extra, and then I'm going to go in the shade Cocoa again, but this time I'm going to use it wet. And I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. So I just wink and start working it across. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to this side of my eye. Okay, so that is what it's looking like so far. Oops. And then I'm going to take my eyelash curler, which I'm just using one by Revlon. Looks like that. I'm going to curl my lashes. And I just hold it down for 7 seconds. And then I'm going to take this mascara right here. It's called Lash Idol, and it's by Lancôme. And I'm just going to put a coat of this on my eyes real quick. I actually got sent this to try out, and I really do like this mascara. It's really pretty. So that is the first coat. Now I'm going to do this side. Okay. And I'm going to put a coat on my bottom lashes as well. I'm not putting any extra product to do the bottom lashes. I just use what's left over just so that it doesn't get clumpy, but it just brings out my eyes a little bit more. So that's one coat, and I'm going to do one more coat. But while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to take that same brush that I used for the inner corner, and I'm going to wet it again. Just rubbing off the excess water on my hand. And I'm going to take this shade right here. This is the Tarte, what is it? Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. Sorry. So I'm going to take the white shade right here. I'm going to put that underneath my brow bone, just to kind of lift it up. You can see it just kind of lifts up my brow bone. It makes it look really pretty. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. See, it looks really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to take that same color and I'm just going to pop it right here, just to kind of brighten that up just a little bit more. You can see how it brightens it. Okay. I'm going to take that same shade again that I did underneath the brow, and I'm just going to slightly put some right here. And that'll just like make this, like make your eyes look a lot bigger. Just really pretty. So there's no dark shadows there. I kind of connect it to underneath the brow bone. You can see, just kind of makes everything look a lot bigger and brighter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my last coat of mascara. See how big we can get these lashes. I got a little bit of mascara right there a while ago. After you let it dry, you can easily flake it off. That's what I've learned over the years of doing makeup. But if you try to get it off as soon as it happens, you're just going to smear it everywhere and mess up your makeup. So it's a really good tip. And that completes this look, as you can see. This look is so pretty. I think it's more of an everyday look. This is something that I would wear on the daily. I know that it wouldn't be everybody's cup of tea, but I absolutely love it. I love the way that the eyes turn out. The brown made it look like really pretty and kind of smoky, but I prefer wearing eyeshadows instead of eyeliners just because when I wear eyeliners, it tends to crease or get just nasty looking. And I've found throughout the years that when I use eyeshadow, it just looks better and it lasts all day. So that's what I prefer to do. If you want, you can add eyeliner to this look. It's fine. And I did not wear any fake lashes because I don't usually wear fake lashes unless it's like some great, like every once in a while I'll actually put on lashes, but it's not something that I do every day. So I wanted this to be like more of an everyday look. I do like the way it turned out too, though. I do like the way it turned out though. I can't talk right now. But yeah, I love this palette. So how have you guys been liking this palette? Have you guys created any beautiful looks? If you have, just like, comment down below and let me know what looks you've created with it. As you can see, these shades are just so pretty, very pigmented. They blend super easy. I do like these shades. They're very warm, but yet they have some cool tones. Like, to me, this looks a lot darker in the pan than it does on the eyes. It's actually really pretty, and it looks even better in person. Like, it looks so stinking pretty right now. Like, this look, I love it. But yes, if there's any look that you'd like me to create, just comment down below what shades you'd like to see me use. So you can see those are the shades. If you guys would like me to create a look with this, just let me know. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. Like I said, I will have that Boxy Luxe video up hopefully within the next week or so. As soon as I get it, I do record. I like to record the same day that I get it. So please, please, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you can see that video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.